Hi everybody, it's Professor Prophet and I'm here just for a little bit of a review of what we've done in the past few lessons, just to bring you up to date so you can join us and be able to be sounding good when you should. Okay, let's start with, do you remember CH? Let's think about the words with CH, huh? What can you think of with a CH? Cha. Well, we had chair, chair. We had chain. Remember, pull your car out of a ditch? Chain. We had cheese, and you decided whether you liked American or Swiss or other kinds. Or that cherry. Or if you don't play checkers, you can play chess. Remember that? Or how about if you're a child? Yeah. We all were childs at one time, weren't we, kiddos? Yeah. How about, do we all have chins? Yeah. We all have chins. And then that wonderful thing, potato chips, huh? See all those words? Those are important words because they're sight words, kiddos. They're sight words. You'll see them a lot. And then after the we got into just an A. Remember? And we did, if you wear something on your face, it's a mask. Mask. Okay? We talked about where you get to go places, it's a map. Map. If you turn on the lights at home, it's probably with a lamp. Lamp. Okay? How about that jelly and jam? Jam. Jam. Say it for me. Jam. How about the one thing we all agreed hand? Hand. It's still got just that little single A right in the middle. Hand. And then when it's hot, it's hot. And what do you turn on? Huh? What? A word? How about fan? Remember that? Fan. F-A-N. Fan. And every morning you wake up in the morning, I want you to say, I'm going to have a great day because I can. Can. C-A-N. Because how you wake up and your attitude, you'll decide your whole day. So you can do anything you set your mind to do, kiddos, and have a plan. Maybe discuss it with your adults and just try. Maybe your teacher, she can help you. When you have something you think is important, you need to do, ask for help. It's okay if you ask for help. Okay, now what other does everybody remember the other words? How about just th. Now we know we have the, okay, the th, but let's talk about things like thumb, where you're T-H-U-M-B. That's a tough one sometimes, but it's thumb. Or how about when you throw a ball? Throw, T-H-R-O-W, throw. Picture these words up in your mind's eye, up on the chalkboard at school. Well, probably not chalkboard, grease board, but picture it in your mind's eye. See the word three. See the word T-H-R-E-E, three, in your mind's eye. And if you come in number 3, you're third. Third, T-H-I-R-D. When you come in number 3, you're third. I bet you guys always come in first, so you probably don't know about it. And if you're too heavy, you're thick. Thick. And if you're not too heavy, you're thin. Thin. And if you steal besides being in trouble, what are you? You're a thief. Thief. T-H-I-E-F. Thief. And if you go out in the garden, and it's okay if you ask for that it's okay, for permission, and you get your mom or your grandma or your teacher a rose, what will you have to make sure they watch out for? A thorn. A thorn. Thorn. Kiddos, we're going to have some fun. We've got some more books. We're going to read next week some more phonics books. We've got all kinds of fun stuff coming up, so come on back. And remember, the tutoring is for you guys. Just use it as you want. Replay it, stop, slow down, whatever, because Grandpa Ken is just here to help you kiddos do better in school. So have a great day. Smile. Remember, you can do anything. And Grandpa Ken loves you. Be safe.